Unboxing Amazon Prime Fire Stick. This is the box. This is most probably the second generation one. Here's the HDMI to HDMI converter. Here's the remote, including the Alexa button, as you can see. Here's the cable. It's USB type B to USB type B. This is the main machine here. It says the model number is, I don't know if you guys can see. The model number is S3L46N. It's okay. That's it. Now we will plug it in our television and see what happens. So on the other side there is the power adapter. This is probably 10 watts. Yes, it's 5 volt 1 ampere, so it's 5 watt charger power adapter. They have also provided 2 batteries, AAA batteries. That's good. So let's fire it up.